I'm going to show you how to make granola. Because, hi. Okay, so here's another breakfast recipe. I'm going to show you how to make granola because I know you've been buying it at the shop and it's super easy to make. So to kick it off, we need to just like gently melt the wet ingredients, which are maple syrup and coconut oil, because the coconut oil is kind of in a solidified state at the moment. So I'm just going to chuck it in a pan on a low heat on the stove and bring them both together. Okay, while that's melting on the stove, I'm just going to combine all of the dry ingredients. So I've got roughly like 3 cups worth of rolled oats, 1 cup of desiccated coconut, basically like half a cup of everything else. So I've got like half a cup of sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, dried cranberries, and then half a cup of almonds and half a cup of walnuts. 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon and 2 teaspoons of ground ginger. Nice. Add a little pinch of salt. Okay, then we just combine that together. Okay, so the coconut oil and the maple syrup have now melted and combined together, so I'm just gonna add this to the dry ingredients. I'm gonna give it a bit of a stir around now. I'm gonna give it a really good mix. You're looking to get everything coated, so you don't want any dry ingredients in there. You want everything to have like a bit of a sheen to it. Okay, nice. So now all this has to do is chuck it in the oven for a bit. So I've preheated the oven to 190 to 200 degrees centigrade, which is about 375 Fahrenheit. I'm just gonna divide the mixture up evenly between the 2 trays. Press down the mixture. As it cooks, it will allow the mixture to kind of clump together so you get those like really nice clusters. That's now going in the oven for about 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna take it out. Give it a mix around, press it down again, back in the oven for 5 minutes, and then done. All right, cool. So that's it. Maple and ginger granola. Super easy to make, pretty great straight out of the jar to be honest, but usually have it on yogurt. So I'm gonna have it on yogurt and finish it with maple syrup. This is Olive. She's a pain in the butt, but we love her. Okay.